Greetings, it is November 5th, 2021. I'm about to begin ink drawing on the portrait of Leos here. And once that's completed, then I'm going to be doing all the writing in ink as well. I might have some of the letters outlined only, or letters and numbers, and others I'll fill in entirely. Colored pencil, watercolor. It says, between 1968, the year I drew the pencil drawing, lower left, which is down here. It's like a, I don't know, it kind of looks like an Old West character. Really, I don't know what they call these belts with all the bullets in them, holding like a rifle. And 2021, when Aiden Leos, age 6, was shot, over 1,500,000 Americans have died from gun rights. Gun rights in quotes. Gun rights voting legislators, judges, and U.S. Supreme Court justices are not, quote-unquote, pro-life. They're pro-death, and they enable terrorism. U.S. gun rights is terrorism and a genocide. All right, we continue.